I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? Method 1. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Follow the steps below. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile in the left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. You'll be taken to the settings screen. Scroll down to the support section and click I need help. On the next screen, click on the Snapstreaks icon. You'll be taken to a FAQ screen for Snapstreak. Scroll down and find a blue-colored Let Us Know text. Next, select from the options of Lost My Snapstreak, scroll down a little and then fill out the provided form. Tap Send when you're done filling the form. If you recently lost a Snapstreak, you can restore it with one free Snapstreak restore in the app, or with an in-app purchase on the chat feed. 1. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. 2. Go to your chat feed in the Snapchat app. If a streak has ended recently, you'll see a button next to that friend's name on your chat feed. Tap the Restore button. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish restoring your streak. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support means a lot to me.